Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for this video I have, as I said in the last video, I will have the Target beauty box for February. Here is the box for this month, and it seems like Target collaborates with Honest Beauty for this month. And let's go ahead and see what we have here. As usually, we have the card with the items inside, and for this month we have a $5 coupon off for a Honest Beauty purchase of $20 or more. So usually it's $3 at Target, this time it's $5 from Honest Beauty. So here is the card, and here are the products inside this box. Again, sample items, and this is the box inside. And the first item in here, I believe this one was $7 or something like this. Sometimes they have two boxes, sometimes just one. So this month was just one box. And this one, all the products are from Honest Beauty, and this one is Refreshing Clean Gel Cleanser, which looks like this, deluxe sample. The next one in here, it's Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream, which looks like this. Another mini, it's Everything Primer. And then we have a foil sample. This one is Everything Organic Facial Oil. You see. And the last one in here, it's Meet Our New Setting and Finishing Perfector Invisible Blurring Powder. It's this one. And let me take this one to see how is the, and here is the, it's not quite a sample, it's more a deluxe sample. And here is the guy. It has a little bit tint. I never use products for this brand from Honest Beauty. If you did, let me know what do you think about them. I'll try them and I'll let you know in empties. So yeah, that's all for Target box. So far we have 5 items. First we have this, we have this powder, we have a cleanser, we have a face cream, we have a primer, and we have a face oil. So I don't know, maybe it's worth it for $7, maybe it's not. I have no idea what's the value of those items. But yeah, that's all for this Target one, the Target box. I will see you pretty soon with, if not another unboxing, it's gonna be an update for my project pen. Also, if you're new to my channel, there is a giveaway open until the end of the month, which just seems to get very close. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll have a great Valentine Day. See you soon. Bye bye.